Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here today. Let's take a peaceful moment together and create another dreamy landscape on a black canvas. Calm, golden, and full of autumn light. Today, we'll paint a quiet forest path surrounded by glowing yellow trees and soft, golden fields, leading us gently into the heart of autumn. I'm using a small piece of sponge to softly blend light blue across the upper part of the canvas. On a black background, this instantly brings light and depth, as if the day is just beginning. With the same sponge, I tap gently to form soft, fluffy clouds, lighter around the edges and fading into gentle shadows. This simple touch gives the sky movement and serenity. Now, I take a darker mix of green, and using the same dabbing motion, I create the background forest. This will be the shadowy base behind the golden trees, soft, distant, and full of mystery. For the thin and crowded trunks far in the background, I mix a darker tone using red, yellow, and a bit of black, and paint them with a flat 5mm brush. These fine strokes bring life and structure to the distant forest. Then I softly add a few lighter touches, not too clear, just enough to create a sense of gentle light filtering through the trees. Now it's time for my favorite part, the autumn glow. Using a tapping motion again, I form clusters of yellow and golden leaves on both sides. To keep the texture fresh and vibrant, I avoid layering too much paint in one spot. Sometimes I blend a little red and orange to give warmth and variation. Finally, I brighten the outer edges of the trees with a mix of yellow and white. This makes the forest shine. With a large flat brush and the same mix of yellow and white, I start adding layers of golden grass, moving gradually toward the foreground. Each layer brings more light and depth to the scene. As I move closer, I space out my brush strokes. It gives a beautiful sense of distance and perspective. Right in the center, I leave a narrow pathway, a place to walk, to dream, to breathe. Now I add a lighter tone over the grass, making it look richer and more crowded. With a smaller brush, I add tiny details to the front bushes to make them stand out clearly. Then I use dark brown for the base of the path, and by mixing a bit of white into that brown, I highlight the small bumps and dips, bringing the ground to life. A little dark green beneath the grasses, and between them adds more depth and realism to the landscape. Next, I paint the tree trunks along both sides of the path, thin and short in the distance, taller and thicker as they come closer. This simple change creates a strong sense of perspective. With a fine liner brush, I draw the delicate branches, spreading gently through the golden leaves. A touch of lighter brown or yellow on one side of the trunks brings a soft highlight, as if sunlight is gently touching them. I add a few final leaf clusters over the branches to make the scene more natural and lively. For the last touch, I tap in small yellow and white flowers over the bushes. And now the forest feels alive, glowing with warmth and peace. And that's it. Our peaceful autumn forest is complete. I hope this painting brought you calm and inspiration. If you enjoyed painting with me, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It means so much and helps this creative space grow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon with another relaxing painting tutorial.